would you guys do if you saw her at your front door?
To answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now. To answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Oh, lights. What a good song.
You are currently being recorded. Hello? Can I help you? Can I help you? What you looking for? You are currently being recorded.
Stay safe out there,
The
people.
footage from the day when my ex tried to kill me. So right here is when I seen the police on my Ring camera. I ran outside. He was sleeping. I ran outside. Fuck, I'm shaking right now. And right here, they're telling me not to go back in, but I'm like, my baby is in there. I have to go back. So they kept telling me to come back, and I'm like, no, I have to get my baby first. Because like once he seen the police, he could have just fucking like tried to snap her neck or something, or try to harm her, you know, take her as hostage or something. So I just ran my ass back in there for my baby. My baby. So, yeah, I'll let y'all listen. On the next clip that's coming up soon, y'all wouldn't believe what this motherfucker fucking said to me. Like, y'all can't hear him because it's like we're far away from the camera on the next clip that's coming up. But this nigga had a nerve to mouth to me, babe, please. Like, bitch, I'm gonna not send you to jail after you just tried to kill me. He got a nerve to say, babe, please. First of all, I'm not your fucking babe. You tried to kill me because I said I don't want to be with you. And this nigga got a nerve to say, babe, please. Like, bitch, are you crazy? Like, zoom in on that part so y'all can try to see him mouthing the words, babe, please to me. Like, bitch, this nigga, like, he had some nerve, like, to try to fucking say some shit like that to me. Like, bitch, after you just tried to kill me. Like, what the fuck? That was crazy.
This man woke up the whole
Anybody
neighborhood.
help? I'm shot! Help! I'm shot!
What happened?
I got shot. Can you run me to the hospital? Please. Alright, call him, please. Call him. Can y'all drive me to the hospital? I'm shot. In my leg. You think I'm lying? Look. Like, fuck, I got lie for it.
Alright, I just called Epic. I'm about to go upstairs. Stay right there in my porch.
Alright, can you put pressure on it?
Yeah, that's
Listen. Help me, please. Please help me. Help me, everybody. Please. Help me.
The creeps come out at night. I love the costume.
Happy and know it, answer the door. If you're warm hearted, good spirited, open the door. Real estate agent is what and who? You must answer back. Compute. Maybe they're shot inside, maybe they're down.
Can I help you?
Are you alright?
Are you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just wondering, because I've knocked on the door a couple times.
Because I'm asleep. It's 1 a.m. Please leave.
We're just making sure we'll comply. I was just making sure that you're a
Leave
humble heart.
now.
You're not a Christian.
This man has some serious issues.
You are currently being recorded.
This couple has bad intentions.
Who is it? Who is that? What the hell?
I just so happened to be awake when I received a ring alert showing a person detected at my front door. There was a suspicious man by my apt at 3-something in the morning. Thank God my man pulled up when he did.
People really don't care that they're being recorded. What could he be waiting for?
You stay up there? Huh? Sorry. You stay up there? What you doing on my door? Huh? I can go on my fucking door. It looks just like a burning fucking. I ain't no farm. It's a fuck on my door. I'm fucking standing up. It's still a foot standing for my door. Nigga. I don't give a fuck. Nigga.
He had to make sure the camera was not filming him.
This footage right here literally is the reason I never ever want to leave my house again. Me and my husband don't really get out much together, so we hired a babysitter and went out to dinner. And my phone had an alert, and this is what we saw on the doorbell. We called our babysitter and told her to go into the master bedroom and lock herself in the bathroom. Told her basically nothing's wrong, just a precaution. And we left the restaurant and came right home. But on the way home, of course, I'm watching this. God, I don't know what was said. The whole video recorded as white noise. But clearly she has something in her hands and it looks like a baby. And there's a storm outside. I don't know what her intentions were until we saw what she did at the end. But before that, she's just staring up into the sky. There was no rain. It was just thunder and lightning, constant. I had the babysitter on speakerphone on the way home while I'm watching this happen. We tried to reassure her and let her know that the police are on their way. It won't be too long. What I saw next made my heart drop. The thing we can see her holding here that looks like a baby was a doll. She must have been using it as a prop to get into people's houses.
We got a shirtless bandit here. They need to ban these masks. He looks like he had too much to drink. This lady rings the bell and just leaves. She was being chased up to her apartment. The man walking by is heard saying, "Lady." These guys were in for a surprise.
You are under surveillance.
This is so wholesome.
Hello, Dad. It's Lisa. I can see you through the doorbell. I can see you through the doorbell. It's me. I can see you through the doorbell.
Hello, Jehovah's Witnesses. Do you have a minute?
I'll be honest, mate. I'm just having a wank at the minute.
Good lad. Bye-bye.
Right, bye,
No
mate.
comment.
Oh my God.
Not embarrassing at all.